The top 4 tips to make your t-shirt line stand out from the crowd. Video coming up right now. What's up, guys? Gary Echenay, t-shirthelpdesk.com. And you know, one of the questions I get so much is like, yo, how can I get more sales? How can I get my first sale? And guys, there are no guarantees in this business, but one way that you can help yourself out is to make your t-shirts stand out from all the other t-shirts in the crowd. There are a lot, and I mean a lot, of t-shirt businesses out here. People are starting t-shirt companies every day, all right? Now, that does not mean that you shouldn't try to have a t-shirt business. It just means that, hey, try to come in from a different angle and make yourself stand out. So, let me give you some tips. Let's go. Okay, another thing to make your t-shirt stand out is not just the blanks, but the wash that's on the blanks, okay? Things like tie-dye, marble washing, acid wash. There's a whole lot of really, really great washes out here that'll make your stuff stand out, okay? Check this out. Okay, guys, check out these styles, all right? These are styles that are currently on the market. You're gonna see the tie-dye like I showed you before, but you also check out those mineral washes, okay? That's the wash style, almost acid wash, kind of bleach looking shirts with the prints on them, all right? These are really in right now, but let me show you where you can get those guys pre-made. All right, guys, this is Bella Canvas, and this is style 3650 unisex poly cotton short sleeve tee. The great thing about this style is, as I just showed you, the mineral wash is in right now. So with this style, all you have to do is purchase it, print it, and you are in the game. All right, guys, this one is huge, okay? We all know that we have to print our t-shirts, but there are specialty prints out here that could really make your line stand out. So I want you guys to check this out. Okay, guys, there are other techniques than your basic print. The most simple one is a discharge print. This is where a chemical agent is printed on the t-shirt, and this agent pulls the color out of the tee as opposed to printing ink on top of the tee. As a result, you have virtually no hand feel on the print, which makes it a really, really high quality print job. Also, you can add color to the discharging agent, which gives you a colored print with no hand feel. So it's really, really great. Another thing that you can do is print black on black. All right, this is a really great rich look, all right, especially when you have the matte color of the t-shirt and a nice shiny print. Really is something that makes your t-shirt stand out. Another thing is to print foil. Okay, now foils usually come in gold or silver, but it can be any color foil. This is so shiny, so rich looking, and it's really eye-catching. Okay, when you wear gold foil, people always notice it. This is another way to stand out. Another thing is high density printing, okay, which is similar to puff, but much better. It's a much sharper image, all right? It's a process by which they use a very thick emulsion and layers of ink to produce this very nice, sharp, three-dimensional effect, something that really, really stands out. And the last thing is to just do a simple embroidery, okay? Really rich, okay? Really high quality, gives a really great look. Now, embroidery is a little bit more expensive than screen printing, but the quality and the perceived value is really top notch. That's about it, guys. Let's get on with the video. All right, guys, if you like what you're watching, I want you to make sure that you go up and you click on that card right there and you go to the Bella Canvas YouTube channel. Listen, if you like what you're seeing over here, you're going to love them. They have everything about how to design, how to place your tees, the use of DTG machines, celebrity interviews, you name it, they have you covered, and they have some of the best blanks on the planet. So go up there, click on there, and go down in the description box and click, and make sure you check out the Bella Canvas YouTube channel. Back to the video. Okay guys, this is another really good one. Is to do something a little different in terms of your print placement, okay? And your designs. Think outside the box. If everybody is doing something, do something a little different. Go outside of the norm, okay? Now this is going to take, I can't tell you exactly what to do, but this is going to take some creativity. Use a different type of artist, okay? If everyone is doing things that are, you know, hand-drawn, do something that looks really digital and pixelated. You know, there's all type of things that you can do. Do a lot of research, you know, go to something like Google and put it in original or different t-shirt designs and kind of take something and use that as an interpolation. Don't just straight bite styles, but do a new interpretation of t-shirt designs. Another thing is to do different placements, okay? Everybody knows that the standard print on the chest. How about printing lower? All right, printing on the bottom of the t-shirt. How about all over printing? How about printing on the sleeve? How about printing on the back? How about doing a left chest and a big back hit? All these things are little things that can make your t-shirt stand out. So between doing something original and doing different placement, I think you're gonna be headed in the right direction. All right, guys, this is last, but certainly not least. Choose high quality t-shirt blanks. Not just high quality, but choose something that's a little different possibly than what everybody else is doing. It could be the softness, it could be the silhouette, it could be the fit, it could be the length, okay? It could be the texture of the shirt, anything, but make sure you have something hot. I want you to check this out.
Okay guys, I want to show you guys 3 t-shirts available at Bella Canvas, okay? The first one is style 3006 Men Long Body Urban Tee. What's really cool about this one is not only the long body, all right, but check this out. I want you guys to take a look at the tail, okay? Now this is the little things, or one of the little things that really can help you stand out is by having a different body. The next one is style 3301 unisex suede tee. Now this one, guys, I cannot do it justice by showing you the tee. I mean, you can see that it's a really great fit, but this one, feeling is believing. It feels like suede, really soft, luxurious. I mean, when people feel this and you're selling this, it is really going to make you stand out in a crowd. I mean, crazy. The next one is style 3413, the unisex tri-blend short sleeve tee. Now this one right here, this is another one that feeling is believing. You have to feel this one, all right? It's incredibly soft. The tri-blend is just amazing. It is something that really will set your t-shirt apart, and the soft hand feel, it's just amazing. So definitely go to Bella Canvas and check these styles out.
Okay guys, that's it. That's all I got for you today. I hope you got something from this, all right? Make sure, once again, you check out the Bella Canvas YouTube channel, and also link is in the description box. Make sure that you subscribe to me right here, and make sure you be on the lookout for my new Start a T-shirt Business or Die Trying Master Course, okay? The links are gonna be down in the description box. It's going to blow your mind. So until next time, cheers to your t-shirts. Remember guys, do something good for somebody. If you don't have anyone to do something good for, do something good for yourself. And I'm adding to this. Hey look guys, remember, great minds talk about ideas, average minds talk about events, and small minds, well, they talk about people. God bless you. I'm finna put some butter on my shoes and slide on out the door. Until next time, peace.